Shib crash price will reach 10 cents thanks to a big move by Coinbase and Blackrock. Coinbase, one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges and the first to be listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, has announced a partnership with Blackrock, a large asset management company. Today, we are going to talk about the partnership between Coinbase and Blackrock and why it will be good for the Shiba Inu coin. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be a bomb. We're glad you stopped by. Shib is your daily dose. This is the place to go if you are interested in all things Shiba. Subscribe if you want to keep up with all the Shib news and forecast, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Let's take a look at the chart before we talk about our topic. Shiba Inu price does not have much upward momentum, which is why its recent rally has stalled. So Shiba Inu is likely to lose all of its recent gains and drop before returning to the key support level. The Shiba Inu price fell 11% on October 13 to attack the fair value gap extending from 83 cents to 92 cents. Due to the highly volatile event in which the Shib recouped its losses and ended the day at a higher price than when it opened. Although this was a good sign, there was no follow-up. So the Shiba Inu's price goes in a straight line. If the Bitcoin price does not stabilize, the recovery ship is likely to continue losing weight. The bottom line is at 83 cents, which is close to the point of control at 81 cents, which is where the most money has traded since May 2021. One of these levels would be a good gathering place for a retest. If the market changes for the better, investors can expect the price of the Shiba Inu to change. From a market-making people standpoint, even highs at 170.9 cents would be a good place to start. If you sell this traffic, you make about 119% of the money, which is probably higher than what the meme coin can get. On the other hand, the bullish hypothesis will be proven wrong if Shiba Inu price closes a daily candlestick below the 81 cents level. In this case, Shiba Inu price might decline and test the 74 cents support level again. Let's get back to the topic. Blackrock institutional clients will be able to manage their investment portfolios, starting with Bitcoin on the same platform as Aladdin, a full-service investment management tool. In plain English, this means that institutional investors will be able to buy cryptocurrencies through Blackrock's investment management tool. Coinbase Prime, the institutional investment arm of the exchange, will be an essential part of this system. Coinbase Prime will provide services. To be more specific, the partnership is huge for the cryptocurrency economy because Blackrock, which manages more than $9 trillion in assets, is paving the way for institutions to start using cryptocurrencies. It also decided to give its clients more ways to enter the world of decentralized finance. So Coinbase shares, which had been down 77% in 2022 for weeks prior to this news, jumped 30% and have stayed at that level ever since. While most people in the cryptocurrency community like the idea, it has raised some eyebrows because Coinbase is in trouble with regulators and is being considered by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) to allow its U.S. customers to trade tokens that should have been registered as guarantees. It is not yet clear whether Blackrock's ties to the U.S. Federal Reserve and other important organizations will help Coinbase out of the lawlessness. After all, the Fed asked Blackrock for help during the 2008 recession and the 2020 coronavirus pandemic, two of the worst crises of this century. In 2008, Bear Stearns, Freddie Mac, and other failed financial institutions gave Blackrock its toxic assets to manage, and in 2020 the Fed tapped the company to buy billions of dollars in debt from major corporations hit by the pandemic. The company also managed government relief expenditures. Blackrock has been interested in cryptocurrency, or digital assets, as they call it, for a long time. In January of this year, the company invested in a seed funding round that helped the Internet Financial Circle. The parent company of the second largest stablecoin dollar fund has raised $400 million. It has also been said that Blackrock, like a lot of other major financial companies, is looking into how cryptocurrencies can be used to tokenize assets and license blockchains, stable currency reserve management, etc. Blackrock CEO Larry Fink told the company's investors that a robust digital money mechanism can reduce cross-border payment costs simplify settlements, and prevent money laundering, even if it seems impossible at the moment. BlackRock's political power. Interest in lobbying the United States Congress to put in place sensible regulations that give the crypto market in the world's largest economy more credibility could help. It is likely that many other areas will follow suit as the institutional flow of money drives development and results in greater benefit to the masses. Now let's talk about burning gray hair. Since July, more than 5,300,000,000 gray hairs have been burned. Data from the Twitter account Burn on the Ship indicates that more than 5.3 billion chips have been burned in various transactions since July. In the past 24 hours, more than 135,418,982 grayscale tokens have been burned, and 21 transactions have been made, according to Shib Burn Tracker. Over the same time period, Coinbase said 613,214,213 Shib tokens were burned in the past 7 days. Tell us about this today. The Shib Burn initiative revealed that 505 transactions sent a whopping 4,762,745,494 tokens to dead wallets. This means that since the beginning of July, more than 5.3 billion people have been cremated. That number may be a bit higher right now because Burn Tracker recently reported a deal of millions of ships that would have burned right after it reported the number of ships burned in 24 hours. Tracking the burns also showed that 3,685,740 Shib tokens and 500,000 tokens were sent to dead wallets in a single transaction. Burning means taking tokens out of circulation forever by sending them to a burned address or dead wallet. Some people think that burning can drive up prices because it makes things scarce. However, this is not always the case. The Shiba Inu is in its best month since February 2022, when it rose 13.4%. Some of you could say Shiba Inu burns didn't make much difference because there's still a lot of ground to cover. Although 5.3 billion chips sounds like a lot, it just means that about $64,000 worth of Shib was burned today. As I mentioned, Satoshi Kusama, who is responsible for making the Shiba Inu, says there seems to be one requirement for big Shiba Inu burns to be a true community effort. He says there are many ways the project works. He says this could take some time, and he hopes the timing works out well. But due to concerns about the economy as a whole, the price action in the cryptocurrency markets is still just speculation. So much for today. Also, we would like to point out that this is not a channel designed to give financial advice, and we are not asking you to invest in any company. This is just a channel that delivers educational content right to your door. So before you buy anything, you should do a lot of research on the subject from many different angles. We hope this video was interesting for you. Tell us in the comments section below. If you own a Shiba, be sure to subscribe and give us a like. See you coin rich next time. Goodbye.